Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous videos, we have built a variety of enterprise solutions using Microsoft Copilot Studio. And today we are going to build something different that every enterprise can benefit from. And we are going to build one research agent powered by MCP into our Copilot Studio agent. So imagine asking your Copilot to research about Microsoft latest Copilot Studio announcements and prepare an executive briefing, compare ChatGPT versus Claude or Gemini. And instead of manually opening dozens of browsers, tabs, reading blogs, comparing articles, our AI agent will do all of that for us. So it can help into any of the research and any of the structured output or structured document generation you want to have. So in this, we are not going to rely only on Copilot's web search capability. We are going to enhance our agent to do some external MCP public available servers to enhance their search results. So we'll connect through two powerful MCP servers, that is Exa MCP, which is specialized into semantic research and discovering the most relevant high quality sources. And then we will have this Firecrawl MCP, which specializes in crawling the websites, reading documents, extracting the clean information out of it, and then summarizing that into our needs. So why our Copilot Studio web search is not enough is just like a Google search. Like it will open, it will find out the brief about the things, but it will not help us into the detailed research. So that's where we are going to build this AI research analyst that will do a detailed extraction of information and structuring of information for us. So we can go to our agents and we can just quickly start creating our agent. And this agent we are building with the new designer only. And over here, I will give the instruction that you are a research agent and provide executive summary and designed to help users research, analyze, summarize information. And your objective is to provide the accurate and well-structured information. So I'll say this agent as research analyst and I will save this. And now we are going to just use this web search of Copilot itself to interact with this agent. And then we will review like what content or what output we get from this research agent. We have just given the generic information and I'm going to preview and I will just write one generic prompt to it. And in this prompt, I'm asking that compare GPT-5, Claude 4.8 and Gemini 2.5. And now we are solely dependent on the Copilot search. So it's not invoking any of our tool. So it's just doing this search knowledge and a web search. So you can compare like once the response is given. So with just a web search, it surfaces the information which is available into the web search, just like any Google search. So why isn't that sufficient for enterprise research agent? Because research is more than just searching. So what the result we got, like we got a surfaced information and producing like few articles, sources articles. So right now with the normal search, we only got that high level of information. So not that detailed. So to build out one extensive research agent, what we are going to do is like we can include the additional tool, and that additional tool we are going to take help of this Model Context Protocol. So MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and think of it as a standard way of AI models to discover and use external tools. So instead of AI vendor creating private integration or 100 of different services, MCP provides a common protocol. So if a service exposes an MCP server, an MCP compatible agent can connect to it and use its capabilities. So same thing we are going to build with one additional MCP server that is publicly available. So we are going to take help of this Exa to intensify to make our research agent as more extensive. So Exa is specializes in finding the best information. Instead of relying mainly on keywords, it performs a semantic search. It understands the intent behind your question and surface highly relevant and authoritative content. So what we can do, we can just create this account, the free account. Free account is enough for us, and you can just grab this MCP keys over here. Once you create your account, you will get it, and once you get it, then you can build out your MCP URL. So MCP server, I can name that server as, let's say, Exa AI MCP server, and specify information that Exa for research based on semantics. And in the URL is as is public, so I have already written that URL. So it takes this mcp.exa.ai and your key. So this key I'm going to delete afterwards. I'll just copy this key, this URL, and paste it, authentication none, and add it. So now we have provided our agent with additional tool of Exa so that it can do the more intensive research just instead of surfacing the content. So I'll just establish the connection and I'll just add it. So I have provided this tool, and if you wish, you can just get rid of this, and I will save it. and we will ask the same question to this agent now, and we will see the difference between the result which was produced earlier versus this time. I'm going to preview, and we will start with new chat. And now I will just submit this same question, and this time we are expecting that our tool will be invoked, that is Exa MCP server tool. So now we can see it has invoked this web search Exa, and it requires our permission to allow this tool. And this time we are expecting much more detailed comparison between all these LLMs. It has started producing the entire information what we requested: executive summary, architecture, and key insights also. Earlier, the information surfaced from web search from Copilot was just information. Now it's doing actual research, context window, code capabilities, and actual comparison of these three models, pricing information also. So now we can clearly see that XR looks for high quality sources discussing the exact that comparison, official documentation, technical architectures, and trusted publications, and it has quoted everything it has used for comparison. So now as we see, like, we have enhanced our research tool, and we will just see one more thing, one more MCP tool again, which is available publicly, that is Firecrawl. So I will just get rid of this Exa server for now because we want to do the same comparison for this new tool, that is Firecrawl, and we are going to add this again using MCP server, and it's a public MCP server. So Firecrawl actually solves this different problem. Suppose we already have Microsoft Foundation document, and now the challenge isn't finding pages. The challenge is finding and reading them. So it's a crawler actually. Opening every page manually isn't practical. Firecrawl, what it can do, it can crawl through all the website, extract the real clean content, remove the menus and advertisement out of it, and remove unnecessary HTML as well. So it's a specialized tool to collect the information. So what we can do is we can have again like one model context protocol server added, and this time we will add our this Firecrawl MCP server, and I will just copy this. I'll say Firecrawl MCP server and crawl through our pages. And this is again, middle part is this API key. You can select the authentication as none and add this tool. So the purpose is you can build out one extensive useful research agent which can use the Exa, which can use Firecrawl to crawl the content to get the extract the actual clean content. We'll just make this, create a new connection, add this, and now we have this ready. I will just save it, and we will just change our this instruction or this prompt a bit different so that we can put like what pages we want to crawl, what pages we want to get the content out of it. So it's again a different sort of animal like which can get into the details of each pages and extract the semantically correct content for you in a structured fashion. I will again go to preview, and we will just start with a new chat. And this time, let's say in prompt, I'm giving this research agent that research Microsoft latest Copilot Studio announcement released in 60 days and find the relevant pages and generate an executive report, including executive summary, public previews, licensing charge, and everything. And this time we are expecting this research agent will crawl through all those pages from this Microsoft Studio announcements and get the structured result for us. So again, it will ask our permission to run this Firecrawl tool. And once we provide, like, then it will start crawling through the site. I'm just allowing this permission, and then it will invoke the tool, and now it's scraping all the data. So let me scrap all the key pages in parallel, and it's doing all the web scraping, and it gathered the data, and it will produce out the result as we are expecting out of it. Now it's building the expected output. So basically what we did today, we built out one extensive research agent. So instead of just using this Copilot's built-in web search, which can just do out of the box searching, we connected the Exa MCP, which help us discover our agent the most relevant authoritative information across web. And then finally, we connected to this Firecrawl MCP, which enables the agent to crawl to website, read the documentation, extract the clean and structured information for deeper analysis. So the biggest takeaway is like how we can integrate our public MCP server to extend our Copilot agents. MCP servers are the specialists. Each one brings its own unique capability, and that can be integrated into your agent to do the expected work from it. And also, if you wish to build out your own MCP server, the same way you can connect your MCP server, which is hosted in Azure, and you can just take benefit of it. You can add that as a tool to your agent. So you can see like it's still doing the detailed research. So I'll leave the video here itself, and we'll keep on building more enterprise ready AI agents in our future videos. So thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.